Astronomers recently discovered a new asteroid. They named it 2024 YR4. This space rock is somewhere between 40 and 100 meters in diameter. That's about the size of a football field. While most asteroids safely orbit the Sun, this one has caught our attention. Why? Because 2024 YR4 has a small chance of hitting Earth. Don't panic just yet, though. The odds are in our favor. Current calculations suggest a 2% chance of impact in the year 2032. That means there's a 98% chance it will miss us entirely. To understand this better, imagine flipping a coin 50 times. You're less likely to get heads 50 times in a row than for this asteroid to hit Earth. Still, we can't ignore it. Even a small chance requires our attention. Space is vast, and even a tiny change in an asteroid's path can make a big difference over time. We need to learn more about 2024 YR4, and that's exactly what scientists are doing. To understand 2024 YR4 better, we need to keep an eye on it. That's where powerful telescopes come in. NASA and the European Space Agency are teaming up to study this asteroid. Their plan involves using the James Webb Space Telescope. This incredible telescope can see objects billions of light years away. It's scheduled to observe 2024 YR4 in March 2025. During this observation, scientists will study the asteroid's path and speed in more detail. They'll also try to learn more about its composition. Knowing what it's made of can help us predict how it might behave if it entered Earth's atmosphere. After the 2025 observations, the next opportunity to study 2024 YR4 won't be until 2028. Every observation brings us closer to understanding this space rock and whether it poses a real threat to our planet. So, what happens if an asteroid like 2024 YR4 enters Earth's atmosphere? The most likely scenario isn't a direct impact with the ground. Instead, it would probably explode in the atmosphere. This explosion wouldn't be like anything we've ever seen. Imagine the energy of 8 million tons of TNT being released all at once. That's about 500 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The good news is that Earth's atmosphere acts as a shield. It protects us from most space objects. The bad news is that an explosion of this magnitude would still have serious consequences. The blast wave, heat, and potential shock waves could cause significant damage over a wide area. While this sounds scary, remember that the chances of 2024 YR4 actually hitting Earth are low. Furthermore, scientists are constantly working on ways to deflect asteroids if they ever posed a serious threat. Predicting the exact path of an asteroid is incredibly complex. It's like trying to predict where a leaf will land in a hurricane. There are so many factors at play, and even small changes can have big effects over time. Right now, scientists have mapped a potential risk corridor. This corridor stretches over parts of South America, the Pacific Ocean, Asia, and Africa. Some of the countries that fall within this corridor include India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, and Colombia. It's important to remember that this is just a prediction based on the data we have now. As we gather more information about 2024 YR4, these predictions will likely change. In fact, the odds of an impact are expected to decrease as we learn more. The key takeaway is that scientists are constantly monitoring the skies. They're using advanced technology to track asteroids and predict their paths. While the thought of an asteroid impact is unsettling, we can take comfort in knowing that we are not ignoring the risks from space. We are actively studying and preparing for them.